Subscribe the channel Pashto Anyone and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's start. English to Pashto sentences. Do you know each other? आया तासो यौ बल पेजनाय. Do you know each other? आया तासो यौ बल पेजनाय. Yes, we know each other. आओ मुंग यौ बल पेजनु. Yes, we know each other. आओ मुंग यौ बल पेजनु. How do you know each other? तासो यौ बल संग पेजनाय. How do you know each other? तासो यौ बल संग पेजनाय. We have met before. मुंग महके मेलाव शवी यू. We have met before. मुंग महके मेलाव शवी यू. How well do you know him? तहा सुमरा पेजने. How well do you know him? तहा सुमरा पेजने. Very well. डेर हा. Very well. डेर हा. When will she be back? हागबा कला वापस राजी. When will she be back? हागबा कला वापस राजी. I have no idea. माता पता निश्ता. I have no idea. माता पता निश्ता. Let's get ready. जय तयार शय. Let's get ready. जय तयार शय. Let's get ready for school. जय द स्कूल द पारा तयार शय. Let's get ready for school. जय द स्कूल द पारा तयार शय. What happened at school today? नन पस्कूल की सचल वशो. What happened at school today? नन पस्कूल की सचल वशो. Did teacher say anything? आया उस्ताद सा उवी. Did teacher say anything? आया उस्ताद सा उवी. Teacher scolded me. उस्ताद जा वरटलम. Teacher scolded me. उस्ताद जा वरटलम. Teacher scolded me for no reason. उस्ताद जा बेवजह वरटलम. Teacher scolded me for no reason. उस्ताद जा बेवजह वरटलम. He fulfilled his promise. हागा खपल लवस पुरको. He fulfilled his promise. हागा खपल लवस पुरको. He is fulfilling his promise. हागा खपल लवस पुरकई. He is fulfilling his promise. हागा खपल लवस पुरकई. You finish it. ता दा ख़त्म का. You finish it. ता दा ख़त्म का. You don't listen to me. ता जमा खबरा न औरी. You don't listen to me. ता जमा खबरा न औरी. Did you recognize him? आया ता हगा वपेजंदो. Did you recognize him? आया ता हगा वपेजंदो. I did not recognize him. मा हगा वन पेजंदो. I did not recognize him. मा हगा वन पेजंदो. Why are you laughing? तवली खांदी. Why are you laughing? तवली खांदी. It is time to laugh. दा दहंदा वक्त दे. It is time to laugh. दा दहंदा वक्त दे. Have we met before? आया मुंग महके मेलाव शवियो. Have we met before? आया मुंग महके मेलाव शवियो. I think we have met before. मा तखकारी मुंग महके मेलाव शवियो. I think we have met before. ما ته ښکاري مونږ مخکې میلاو شوي یو. A lot of rain fell. ډیر باران وشو. A lot of rain fell. ډیر باران وشو. A lot of rain fell last night. تیره شپه ډیر باران وشو. A lot of rain fell last night. تیره شپه ډیر باران وشو. Don't stand there. هغلته مه ودرېږه. Don't stand there. هغلته مه ودرېږه. Don't stand there in the rain. هغلته باران ته مه ودرېږه. Don't stand there in the rain. هغلته باران ته مه ودرېږه. Come here. دلته راشه. Come here. دلته راشه. Come in here. دلته دننه راشه. Come in here. دلته دننه راشه. I was about to sleep. زه اوده کېدو والا وم. I was about to sleep. زه اوده کېدو والا وم. I was about to meet. زه میلاوېدو والا وم. I was about to meet. زه میلاوېدو والا وم. I was about to go. زه تلو والا وم. I was about to go. زه تلو والا وم. I was about to come. زه راتلو والا وم. I was about to come. زه راتلو والا وم. Does she smile? آیا هغه مسکی کیږي؟ Does she smile? آیا هغه مسکی کیږي؟ I have never seen her smiling. ما هغه چرته په مسکان نه ده لیدلې. I have never seen her smiling. ما هغه چرته په مسکان نه ده لیدلې. What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟ What do you want? ته څه غواړې؟ I want my own car too. زه هم خپل موټر غواړم. I want my own car too. زه هم خپل موټر غواړم. I want to play. زه لوبې کول غواړم. I want to play. زه لوبې کول غواړم. No, you have played enough. نه، تا ډېرې لوبې کړې دي. No, you have played enough. نه، تا ډېرې لوبې کړې دي. Now let's go home. وس راځئ چې کور ته ځو. Now let's go home. وس راځئ چې کور ته ځو. It's time to go. د تلو وخت دی. It's time to go. د تلو وخت دی. Night has fallen. شپه شوې ده. Night has fallen. شپه شوې ده. Now you should sleep. وس تاله اوده کېده پکار دي. Now you should sleep. وس تاله اوده کېده پکار دي. What are you learning? ته څه زده کوې؟ What are you learning? ته څه زده کوې؟ I am learning Pashto and English. زه پښتو او انګلیش زده کوم. I am learning Pashto and English. زه پښتو او انګلیش زده کوم. Who will drive the car today? نن به څوک ګاډی چلوي. Who will drive the car today? نن به څوک ګاډی چلوي. I will drive the car today. زه به نن ګاډی چلوم. I will drive the car today. زه به نن ګاډی چلوم. What are you buying? ته څه اخلي. What are you buying? ته څه اخلي. I am buying a gift. زه یو تحفه اخلم. I am buying a gift. زه یو تحفه اخلم. For whom are you buying a gift? د چا د پاره تحفه اخلي. For whom are you buying a gift? د چا د پاره تحفه اخلي. I am buying a gift for you. زه تاله تحفه اخلم. I am buying a gift for you. زه تاله تحفه اخلم. What does he watch all day? هغه ټوله ورځ څه ګوري. What does he watch all day? هغه ټوله ورځ څه ګوري. He watches cartoon all day. هغه ټوله ورځ کارټون ګوري. He watches cartoon all day. هغه ټوله ورځ کارټون ګوري. What is this? دا څه دی. What is this? دا څه دی. This is a stone. دا یو کاڼی دی. This is a stone. دا یو کاڼی دی. What do you want? ته څه غواړې. What do you want? ته څه غواړې. I want to sleep. زه اوده کېدا غواړم. I want to sleep. زه اوده کېدا غواړم. Are you with me? آیا ته زما سره یې. Are you with me? آیا ته زما سره یې. I am always with you. زه عمرې ستا سره یم. I am always with you. زه عمرې ستا سره یم. Where is your helmet? ستا هیلمټ کوم ځای دی. Where is your helmet? ستا هیلمټ کوم ځای دی. Do you have a helmet? آیا ستا سره هیلمټ شته. Do you have a helmet? آیا ستا سره هیلمټ شته. Put on your helmet. هیلمټ په سر کا. Put on your helmet. هیلمټ په سر کا. It is for your safety. دا ستا د حفاظت د پاره دی. It is for your safety. دا ستا د حفاظت د پاره دی. इसी तरह और वीडियो से बाखबर रहने के लिए हमारा चैनल पश्तो न्यूज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन क्लिक करें। मैं जो नई वीडियो अपलोड करूं ताकि आप उससे बाखबर रहे। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।